Hi, my name is Carlos Cicero, and today I'll be talking about how a brand's image can affect business. The first brand I'll be talking about is American Apparel. American Apparel was founded by Dove Charney in 1989. It's an LA based company and started as a wholesale brand selling basics and colorful classics that situated them as a brand for staple pieces. They quickly grew around 2005 with sales amassing from 80 million in 2003 to 634 million by 2013, even winning them accolades from the news company The Guardian as Label of the Year in 2008. They prided in creating garments made in USA, free from sweatshops. It's a key selling point for consumers who care about fair labor practices and where they source their products. Their marketing focused on young teen models and even porn stars in provocative advertisements, which paved them as a controversial brand that has never appeared in the market, appealing to the youth and selling some form of the American dream, which helped gear and create new fans of the brand. They even won an award as Marketer of the Year in 2005, given by Women's Wear Daily, which really shows the genius marketing responsible by the CEO and founder, Dove Charney. They later relaunched after the acquisition by Gildan in August 2017. Next, I'll be talking about what led to the failure of American Apparel. The first being was a lot of legal issues, one involving the CEO and nude photos with young female staffer, leading to his departure of the company. This departure only led to a new CEO and more lawsuits that followed with a tarnished brand reputation and slumping sales, primarily dealing with a lot of sexual harassment charges, ultimately destroying their image and proceeded with a lot of profit loss, which was not great for the company since they are very image focused and consumers are conscious of what they are buying. In October 2015, American Apparel filed for bankruptcy and a second one in 2016. The company was later bought by Canadian manufacturer Gildan for 88 million, which is not a lot compared to many brands, which really speaks volumes to the idea that image is powerful and sets the tone of a brand's worth. Next, I'll be talking about Glossier. Glossier is a New York based company and is founded by CEO Emily Wise. Their whole model is direct to consumer beauty brand, meaning people order online and they receive it straight to their doorstep, which the brand has now expanded to standalone showrooms where items can be bought. Their products are very image focused and they use it in a very creative way. It is estimated at a 1.2 billion company and they have raised over 190 million to date. They started out as a beauty blog called Into the Gloss, but ventured off to creating their own products and branded as Glossier. It's really to show that this brand comes from a heavily beauty based background with many beauty obsessed contributors. So, what led to their success? Mainly due to genius marketing that caters to these millennials. They have an aesthetic approach to multimedia from videos to the website. They incorporate Get Ready With Me YouTube videos that really felt personal and they really showcases how to use the products in a very eye-catching fashion. They also use really amazing colors and a marketing campaign slogan like Skin First, which was instrumental to the success that put importance to natural beauty. Um, they provided specific products that enhance and not necessarily cover up. They're really trying to sell this image that you can be what they can be when using their products. And what's really great is they really put an emphasis on the recent wave of natural beauty rather than caked up makeup and costume looks, playing well to their favor as a way to keep up with the trends. Um, their image also included models of different body types and beauties, which was very inclusive and really reaches out to a wide, massive audience and can be really relatable to anybody, which is great to their company and to the millennials of today. They started as a blog and kept up with the trends that allowed them to understand what the market is looking for in the beauty industry, which was their key selling point that helps buyers know that they put a personal touch when they make their products. My advice for American Apparel is really keep up with the trends, know your consumers now. Buyers are conscious of what they're buying. We live in a world where whether it is ethically sourced or made for a specific person, people want to know that. Really build a story and theme that appeals to their customers. Meaning, Sell the is image and stay true to it. After all, that is what kept Glossier in business and what catapulted American Apparel in the beginning. And lastly, have a good marketing team that focuses on the goal/image of a company. Because image is powerful within our media focused society. People buy with their eyes. They want to become what you want to sell them. Thank you.